This JMP demonstration shows how to perform sentiment analysis on unstructured text data. We're using the CHIPS dataset from the sample data folder. These data contain 140 reviews of potato chip products and will quantify the degree of positive and negative sentiment in the reviews. We'll begin by going to Analyze, Text Explorer, placing Potato Chip Product Review in the Text Columns role, and clicking OK. Text Explorer tokenizes the text and presents terms and phrases ordered by their frequency of occurrence. From here, we'll select Sentiment Analysis from the red triangle. This option, available in JMP Pro, performs lexical sentiment analysis, in which a user-specified dictionary of sentiment terms and scores is used to score the sentiment in each document. A sentiment analysis report is produced using a default dictionary. The top of the report contains a tabular and graphical summary of the distribution of sentiment scores, and an interactive table below shows the score for each document. Click on a document to see the text with associated sentiment terms highlighted. For example, document 3 received a score of positive 60, indicating positive sentiment. This is due to the occurrence of the term good, which by default has a score of positive 60 in the sentiment dictionary. JMP's default dictionary represents just a starting point, and it's extremely important to customize your dictionary based on domain expertise. As just one example, the term greasy here may be negative in the context of potato chip reviews, so we should assign it a negative score in the dictionary. We'll hover over the term and select a score of negative 60. Greasy has been added to our dictionary, and all scores have been recalculated automatically. The score for document 3 is now a neutral 0, which is calculated as the average of positive 60 for the term good and negative 60 for the term greasy. More full-featured dictionary management, including import and export capabilities, is available under the red triangle's Manage Sentiment Terms option. Note that sentiment analysis also takes into account negators such as not and intensifiers such as very, and these have their own dictionaries and management tools. The full lists of dictionary terms and scores are also available in the corresponding sections of the sentiment analysis report. The sentiment terms section also contains a list of possible sentiment terms for your consideration to be added to the dictionary. The features section of the report allows you to rescore the documents according to a specific semantic feature or subdomain. We can click Search to discover possible features, such as flavor or texture here. And we can then select one or more and click Score Selected Features to rescore documents with respect to only the sentiment terms that occur near the selected feature.